happening, guys? It's your girl Sophia. I'm back again with another video. Yes, I know I have been gone forever, for a very long time. Obviously, you know your girl is a uni student, so just matter of time. Like I need to start time managing for real. But obviously, as always, your girl always brings you the freshest video, the freshest stuff. You already know. Walk one, you feel me? So today we're going to be doing another product review. Oh my god, I can't even speak. We're going to be doing another product review. You already know your girl is obsessed with Yeezys, so obviously I haven't been buying the Yeezys that were coming out. Like I know that there was another 350 that came out in black or something. It wasn't black, it was more like, I don't know, I literally do not know. And I know that there was Quantums. The Quantums came out as well, but I wasn't really interested. Like I'm not really a fan of the Quantums. Maybe if they bring out like another one. I know like the 700s are coming out soon, so hopefully we manage to cop that, hopefully. But I managed to cop the 350 version 2 in the natural color. Honestly, guys, I'm excited as you guys. So I actually went to pick up the box today. Delivery came in today, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna open it in the camera so you guys get to see it. It's exciting. Yes, you already know. So to start off, obviously your girl gets size 4, so as you all know, I am a size 4 and will always be a size 4. I know I got little foot people, you feel me? The only way, that's the right way. But it's not like they make it like they lower the price or anything like that. No, it's still the same price. Kanye, you need to do something about that, sir. You need to do something about that. For people with small foot, okay, you at least need to lower the price, like me. But anyways, so when you open it, you know it is wrapped inside. I don't know, like, oh, so you know that it's wrapped inside. You know what? I'm just gonna open it out of the box because I do not want to kill myself. You know, so yeah. Once you open it out of the box, you have this. Ooh, shocked. I'm shook. Wow, this is gorgeous. I'm not even gonna lie. The color, do you see this? Like, it's like, wow. Wow, this is really gorgeous. Yeah. This is gorgeous. Okay, like I know I have been saying this and I repeatedly keep repeating through my videos that I love the Zions, and I do. They're just like one of my favorite. But I think this one might just be the winner. Do you see the color? Do you see the color of this bad boys? Like, oh my god. Kanye, you did something. You did something. You did something. You did. This is a legend. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Like, it's exactly the same as obviously all 350 version 2s. They were exactly the same, just different color, but this is more of a natural color. It's obviously in the box it says neutral. I don't know why. Well, I mean, yeah, that means natural. Like, yeah, for a minute we're acting dumb there, but anyways, that means natural. So it's like the natural color. They dropped on the 26th. Yeah, basic. No, actually, sorry, apologies. They actually dropped on the 24th. On the 24th, so I pre-ordered them already. Like once they dropped, I knew like if I got them or not. Like basically, you know, I already explained the whole system. But those are bad boy. They are fire. Small. So I just literally, like, I took a minute and I tried them. I will definitely insert a video of me trying them, so probably be the next video that will be, you see how they do fit. So as you guys can see at the side, you can see the colors as well. There's like 3 kind of different color, and then the back of it, you can see the side. Obviously next time I'll probably get a better video, but yeah, as you can see the front, it has like the new laces basically, which I don't really mind them. They're not my favorite, but yeah, you can see even the inside is really nice. I have a few things to say about this. The color is amazing. It's comfortable when you wear it, but it's very hard to get it through. I don't know why. Maybe it's just me, or I don't know if other people are having the same situation, but it's very hard to like get it through. I know like they're like the slip-ons, like you just slip your foot in, you know what I mean? But it's kind of like, it's a bit tight, but I feel like by time they will loosen, like I don't know how much they will, they are tight. So what I would suggest, if you do want to get those, definitely get like a half a size at least bigger, or like a size up if you want, like I don't know, maybe a size up. Obviously I got a 4 and it still fits, but I just feel like it's a little bit tighter. And actually this is the same kind of situation that I've been having with my other pair of shoes as well. Oh my god, I don't even remember which one are they, but you know, in my next video, oh my god, I really need to start like Israfils, that's right, sorry, Israfil. With my other pair of Israfil, like they are a bit tighter, like the fabric is a bit tight. It doesn't loosen up quite quickly as you expect it to do. So I would definitely advise that if you know, you like your foot to be more comfortable and all of that, so definitely get a size up or get a half size up, because that's going to be probably more beneficial, more sufficient than this. But this is do you see the color? Like, and obviously today your girl decided to wear all natural, you know, go all natural just to blend in with a bit of the shoes, but nah, like, you know what I mean, like trying to go all, nah. But this is a really good shoes. I mean, like, obviously, as I said before, I'm trying to collect Yeezys. Like, I'm trying my best to see which one I like and then collect them as much as possible. I definitely know that there is 700s that are coming up, and there's one in the natural color. I seen it in the Yeezy Mafia, so it was really nice. I can't wait until it comes out. I know it's gonna come out next month, maybe the end of next month, so I'm excited about that. Definitely look forward to that, because if I manage to cop them, you will see them. That is 100% on period, you feel me? That's right. So yeah, no, seriously, those are a keeper for sure. Those are definitely 100% a keeper. I would say another thing though, because I feel like they're very precious in terms of the color. So what I would say is just don't wear them if you're planning to wear them every day. This is not an everyday kind of trainer, so it's not really an everyday kind of trainer. This is more of like, if you're going out, you can wear this, you know what I mean? You're going to party, you're going somewhere, you can wear this. It's not an everyday trainer. Like, I would not advise you to get this as an everyday trainer to go out. Yes, because they get dirty very easily. So actually, like, I didn't even wear them yet, but the fact that I just, you know, I tried them of course for you guys, but I just literally a little bit of my makeup touched the tip here, so, and I can see it. Obviously it doesn't really show in camera, but I can see a little bit of like the makeup dash, so it gets dirty really easily. So my best decision is that wear it if you know you're going out somewhere important or somewhere nice, or like, you know, or you can just wear it every day. It really just depends on you. So yeah, that is my review for today. I will try to do more video for sure. I'll bring you guys more video, but be patient with me because your girl's a uni student and it's really hard for me to be putting out videos every single week. But I will try my best to try to put them every single week for you guys. Thank you guys for the support. It was like amazing on my other 2 videos. It's actually crazy. Well, all of my videos, but like on my other 3 videos, it's actually quite like amazing that I got over 1,500 views on like the Israel, and then on the Blue Oat I got like 1,000 views. So I really appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure we get this to 1,000 views, and yeah, I'll drop another video for sure for you guys. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe, like, and do all that good stuff. Make sure to join the squad, you feel me? And I'm out.